Hello guys, this is how to download NBA 2K17 on your Android device.
Motherfucker.
First, you will go to
Mozilla.
Mozilla
And search.
Yeah, that's the Mozilla. That is Chinese. And when you see the NBA 2K17 or you search here, you will click it and wait for loading. And this is that NBA 2K17. You will install it and you will wait it, and when download the NBA 2K17, you will, when NBA 2K17 finish to download, click it and wait. I'm playing NBA 2K17 to tutorial watchings. Wait. Hindi nakikita yung kamay. Hindi nakikita yung kamay kapag pinipinda. Loading. And this is the NBA 2K17. When you want to download
Miami has possession, trailing by 4. Here is Whiteside. Number 21.
It's foul, nigga. What's up? From Anderson. What's the fuck, nigga? This is very intense game, you know. This is the best sports game in your Android phone.
Just over 2.5 minutes played here so far in the first quarter.
Because this is the first Android.
Leaders no luck.
Beautiful.
It's deflected.
Still, oh no, man. Oh no.
And he goes in.
And slams. Oh no shit, motherfucker. What's up, man? Victor Oladipo
Here's Oladipo.
driving the ball. Pass to Robertson for 3. Bang!
Almost any NBA player can make
Robertson
you pay when you leave
for
them that wide
3.
open. That's why you have to stay alert on defense.
And guys, that is the NBA 2K17. And thank you
For watching.
Bye.
Bye.